What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Triple D's Delectable Delights. I'm D, and y'all are my delights. Today, y'all got some, look at that, ooh, some shrimp teriyaki noodles. Yeah, and some shrimp egg foo young. That, of course, yours truly made. Yeah. I want y'all to see this. Yeah. Piping hot. Y'all see that smoke coming off of that? Piping hot, baby. Yeah. Okay. And y'all know, before we do what we do, amen. And got some gravy. On the side. Yeah. I've been waiting for this, y'all. It's hot. But I'm going to give y'all the first bite. Yeah. Damn, that's good. Ooh. Look at that. The teriyaki noodles is off the chain. It's so good, I don't even know where to start. Shrimp egg foo young. If y'all could be inside my mouth, y'all know the flavors are bursting. We'll do a little gravy. Dip it first. Come on, baby, dip. Y'all check. Now don't that look good? Can't tell me don't that look good? Ooh. Ooh. You see it? Got water? And of course, my famous grape. Excuse me. Y'all see them peppers or something? Mm. Mm. Excuse me, I know y'all saying slow down, D, but I'm hungry. It's so good. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm. The flavors from these noodles. From the peppers. Mm. To the peas. Mm, mm, mm. To the green onions. And I know y'all say like, thought you was allergic to to onions. I am. But the green seem to don't bother me. Mm. Well, I like shrimp egg y'all. Mm. 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 Just a touch, a little bit. Mm. This is another classic of y'all already know. DB cooking, cooking in the kitchen, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. DB cooking, cooking in the kitchen, yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Mm. And then we're gonna remix it with DB what? DB cooking in the kitchen, cooking in the kitchen, cooking in the kitchen. DB what? Cooking in the kitchen, yeah. Mm. Speaking of singing, that y'all see the BET Awards. Talking about way better than last year. Last year BET Awards. This year, yeah, that was good. Mary J gave us a concert. Thank you, Mary. Yes, she did that. Mm, 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 mm. She sung every song that you know, and sung it with no auto tune, live. Mm. Who doing that? Nobody. Tyler Perry, motivational speech. Oh my God. OMG. It was beautiful. It was inspirational, off the chain. Just inspirational. Mm. 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 If y'all ain't checked it out, y'all need to go check it out. Watch the BET Awards. Mm-hmm. Excuse me. And also, the performance of God is coming. I mean, no, not God. Let me get the song right, because I know y'all gonna tell me anyway. The the Lord is coming. Yeah. By her. Yeah. Go check that out. If you watch that performance, it's gonna move you. I'm full, but I'm greedy today. So this is so good. Whew. You can tell when it's good when you're sweating. Sweat. Oh. What you said I didn't get y'all no shrimp egg foo young. Sorry. Sorry I didn't. Y'all take a big old chunky juicy bite of this with some bean sprouts and eggs, of course. I did good. Go watch them awards. That was good. Off the Shazam. When Tyler Perry said, while y'all was talking about Oscar so white, he said, y'all go ahead and do that. I'm going to build my own. He said the studio that he built, that he owned, was once a Confederate army base. Who tried to keep 3 million plus people, Negroes, and chained in slavery. And now it's owned by one Negro, him. Everybody's on their feet there. It was, that was beautiful. Excuse me. Let's see, I ain't got something on my shirt. That ain't unusual. Happens all the time. Happens all the time. See if I can give y'all a couple of good burps. Good burps. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Whew. Needed that one. Yes. Whew. Yeah. But yeah, y'all go watch it. It was good. All right, y'all. I just want to bring y'all something quick. Y'all know I really don't promote stuff, but the BET Awards was good. Tyler Perry, Mary J, her, The Lord is Coming. Gotta go watch it. And there was some more too, but those stood out. Bam, bam, bam at you. Yes. All right, y'all. Till next time. Hope y'all enjoyed this shrimp teriyaki egg noodles and shrimp egg foo young with some brown gravy, all homemade by moi. All right, y'all. Till next time. Come here. Let me tell y'all something. Don't forget to what? Subscribe. If you didn't understand Belch Talk, don't forget to subscribe. Leave some comments below. And don't forget to hit that bing notification bell so you know next time when I pop up with something new. All right, y'all. Till next time. It's been a pleasure. Miss y'all. What y'all been doing? How y'all been doing? What's up, y'all? Love my delights. Love all my new subs. All my new delights. All right. Well, give some shouts out. I didn't do any birthday shouts, but everybody got a birthday in June. Happy birthday to y'all. All right, y'all. Peace. Love y'all. All right. I'm out.